Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Howowoh.com. And before we get into the review, a lot of you have been asking me how do I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. So links in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see, you have it here open up there on their website. And this is what the products they sell are. So as you can see, but they also sell figurines like Labubus. So as you can see, this website is not very well made, and they actually also sell clothes, apparel. And if you're wondering if their site is legit, I actually found a post here on Reddit, and this person said, "Has anyone bought Labubus from Howowoh before?" And I can tell if it's legit website or not. So this person never heard of it. Honestly, I'm extremely wary of anything not from the official Pop Mart site, but if you don't mind getting a Lafufu at the price is reasonable. So then that's up to you if you want to take that risk. But if I were fine getting a Lafufu, then I'd probably just buy from a protected site like eBay or Mercury. That way I know my funds are protected. So as you can see, this person also said, I've gotten only from Pop Mart. I don't even want to try TikTok shop. I found their website to track your packages and their shipping policies. I just copied and pasted my tracking number they gave me through email. Ordered from them like five days ago, so we'll see. And they didn't even update yet. So this person said they never received, and this person also said that never got the items. So basically, they're the same person. And my kid wanted Pop Mart dolls. So basically, guys, I would advise you not to buy Labubus from websites like these or like third-party websites or third-party companies, since they're more than likely fake. If you really want to get real Labubus or original or legit Labubus, I would advise you to go to Pop Mart instead and not to buy cheap knockoffs from other websites. But if you don't mind buying cheap knockoffs, then why not go ahead. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.